We're here at the George Washington Train Show on Saturday, February 15th, 2020, and we ran into Jim Chaney from Madison, West Virginia. Welcome, Jim.
Thank you, sir.
And you have an impressive layout here just as you come into the Clifton Forge Armory. Look to the left, and this is Jim's impressive layout. Jim, how'd you get involved in the train business? And it looks to me like you have almost every conceivable car somebody would want.
I got started in Christmas of '57. My parents bought me my first train set, and it got started then and kept growing.
I had an American Flyer. What'd you get?
I got Marks, which is the American Flyer size on O-gauge track.
Okay. And so you got started and it grew from there?
I just got like the trains. I kept trading. I traded a bag of marbles for these, a BB gun for these. I just kept trading around stuff when I was a kid.
And you turned it into a business now. I know you're here in Clifton Forge. Do you go to other regional train shows?
Yes, I do. I go to about probably 15 a year.
Wow.
I go to two here in Virginia. I go here in Fisherville usually. And the rest of them are in Ohio, West Virginia, Kentucky.
And would you, in looking at your layout, it's not clear to me that you specialize in one thing or the other, but you probably do.
I personally have O-gauge, my own Lionel. My friends here, they like HO. And what it is, I just end up, people dying, and their families want to get rid of their things, they don't want them. And I'll buy what they don't want, and I end up with a little bit of everything. I've got anything from Z gauge to G gauge.
Okay. Well, and it looks like there's a good turnout here for the show.
Yes,
but if somebody couldn't make it either here today or on Sunday, do you have a way that they could contact you?
Mostly just by the phone or email, something like that, and I can ship it out to them.
Okay, and the Journal will provide that information for individuals that may be interested in Jim's wares. Jim, I know you're busy. Thanks very much for taking the time to speak with the Journal.
Well, thank you, sir.